6 new outlooks to adopt if you want to stop overthinking things at work. Getting ahead at work is already hard enough. There's always too much competition and not enough room to rise up or get ahead. Why are you holding yourself back? Overthinking yourself at work can lead to a lot of missed opportunities and a lack of growth and development. Here's where it becomes crucial to trust your instincts and put a little less time into thought and a lot more into action. Try these outlooks to help you on the road to success. Check your thoughts. Remember, overthinking causes you to focus on the negative. Whether you're hunting hidden meanings in the things your coworkers have said to you, or looking for the most disastrous scenario to a proposed idea, either can derail you equally well. The key is to take note when your thoughts start traveling down these paths. Once you've recognized the thinking, ask if this is a legitimate concern. If not, you might be overthinking things. Look at the bigger picture. If you're thinking obsessively about something, take a step back and ask how critical is this thought in the grand scheme of things. Will anyone remember this incident next week, next year? Most of the time, overthinking happens in regard to genuinely unimportant details. This reality check should put a stop to things. Do something. Every time you find yourself caught up in your thoughts, force an action instead. What's the next best thing you can do right now? Maybe you can answer an email or return a phone call. Whatever you pick, don't allow the thought back in until you're done. Start on a high note. How you begin the day will affect how much time you spend worrying about things. Give yourself every advantage. Sleep well the night before. Eat breakfast. Exercise. Have a to-do list ready to go. Be fresh and ready to tackle the day from the start. Give yourself a worry break. If you find yourself overthinking things often, what about giving yourself a set time of day to think to your heart's content? Set a space on the schedule and tell yourself you can think about whatever you want during that time. Then, every time you catch yourself chasing thoughts throughout the day, shove them down until the time is set aside just for them. Let go. You're not going to be perfect, nor are you ever going to feel entirely done on anything so long as you're overthinking it. Realize this and learn to accept good enough as an option rather than sink down into a spiral of overthinking everything. In the end, if you can get your thoughts under control, you can get your work life under control. Instead, imagine the success waiting for you. It's just that good.